How to change your primary phone number in Wise. Hello guys, this is Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'll be showing you how to change your primary phone number of your Wise account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Wise application at very first. Then after opening the Wise application and logging to your account, you will get to see this homepage. Now in here you will get to see a bunch of options. You just simply have to select this profile icon into the top left corner, and from there you will get to see a bunch of options. Now you just simply have to select this personal details section in order to change your primary phone number. Just simply select personal details, then you will get phone number at bottom. Just simply tap to this change primary phone options that will be visible just above the save button. Tap to change primary phone, then you have to erase your current phone number and enter a new one which you want to add into your Wise account, and after that tap to send code. Then it will send a verification code to the phone number which is currently active. Then after that your phone number will successfully be changed into Wise. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.